For our semifinals week, second game best player of the game from Team Red Doors, we have Jackson Wong. Jackson Wong achieved 30 points, 6 rebounds, 7 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block. So, Kuya Wong, since nakapasok po kayo sa finals, ano po yung naging preparation nyo and yung naramdaman nyo po ngayon since papasok na po kayo ng finals against Gold Eagle?
Nag-focus lang kami sa defense and then luckily yung offense namin pumasok naman lahat. Saka may kasama na ring swerte. Going to the finals, good start naman kami. Finish strong kami. Tingin ko maganda laban namin sa finals.
So, Kuya, since napansin namin na grabe yung mga points so kanina na binibasic mo lang pati 3 points. Kuya, so ano yung magiging preparation mo para sa finals?
Same lang din, kailangan minum kami kahit mga 2 kahon para makondisyon.
So, lastly, Kuya, sino po yung naging inspiration nyo this game and sino po yung gusto nyo pasalamatan?
Lahat ng teammates ko, open naman kami sa GC, nag-usap-usap naman kami. Kaya inspiration din na at least hindi na namin na-let down yung isa't isa.
So, congrats po and thank you once again for our second game best player of the game, Jackson Wong. Congrats po!
Ay mag-enjoy, mga kaibigan sa paligid wala